The Elantra SE MSRP is $19,650, and that is with all the standard safety items I spoke to earlier. From there, we move up to the Elantra SEL at $20,900, which adds additional high customer demand features like our proximity key with push-button start, automatic temperature control, and our Blue Link connected car services that you heard about from Manish. There are also two option packages available on the SEL, which are the convenience package and the premium package. The highest spec is the Elantra Limited at $25,450. This is the most fully loaded Elantra and only one configuration, so no additional options to increase the price. And we've spoken to the Elantra Hybrid. There are just two configurations to keep the entire Elantra lineup simple. The Elantra SEL Hybrid is $23,550, and this includes the same equipment as the ICE model. But the hybrid powertrain delivers an astounding 54 miles per gallon combined. The Elantra Limited Hybrid comes in at $28,100 and still delivers 50 miles per gallon combined with the additional features and larger 17-inch alloy wheels. All in all, tremendous value throughout the Elantra family. So in summary, the all-new 2021 Elantra delivers striking styling with strong presence and proportions. The advanced technology provides more control and personalization than ever before. The first ever Elantra Hybrid provides a no-compromise experience while delivering a standard 54 miles per gallon combined, which beats both the Toyota Corolla Hybrid and the Honda Insight. And finally, the long list of standard SmartSense safety features which further enhance the ownership experience.